We're going to try and get this pressure washer to start. Currently it will not start, and I'm going to run you through a couple of steps to get it to start. Enjoy. We're going to start by taking off this spark plug cover. We're going to find a socket that fits the spark plug, and we're going to twist it out. So we got the spark plug out. We're going to go ahead and sand it around here and on here and the sides. Stay away from the white porcelain. Let's go ahead and put the spark plug back in. Let's go ahead and take the air filter cover off. You can use starting fluid or gas in a water bottle with a small hole on the top. Squirt it inside the carburetor. Not too much, just a little bit. And go ahead and make sure your switch is on and it's in choke position, and go ahead and start it. There we go.